1. Write an interesting and descriptive title for your video. When you are inside your YouTube account and have uploaded your video, you will be asked to fill in some fields to describe your video. The first one being your video title. Be as descriptive and cool as possible when writing your title for your video. YouTube and humans can't tell what is actually in your video before they watch it, so you have to let them know as best you can with your title. The words in your title determine how YouTube lists your video in the search results when someone performs a search. And not only the YouTube search results look at the words in your title, but also Google and other search engines will list your video according to the keywords in your title. Usually, 1 or 2 word titles are not enough and seem boring and don't give a clear explanation to the viewer. Instead of writing soccer as the title, write a more detailed one such as playing soccer at Garden Square Stadium. Another point is to capitalize the first letter of every word in the title. This makes it stand out more so people are more likely to click on your video over someone else's. And don't be afraid to get a little creative when you write your video title. An interesting title will get a lot more clicks than a boring title. Just make sure you still are detailed in the description and not be misleading. 2. Write a descriptive description along with a descriptive title. Your video description should contain descriptive words to explain your video even more. Your description doesn't need to be very long. On average, just a paragraph or 2 explaining the contents of your video and any details about it you want viewers to know about it. Also, you should try to contain your keywords, words that when people search for will find your video, in this area. Adding keywords into your description, as with the title, is very important for your video coming up in the search results. If you have the same keywords as you title, then YouTube will know that your video is definitely about your keyword, e.g., playing soccer, Garden Square Stadium. A bit of a ninja tactic with your description is that you can add your website URL address, and it will turn into a clickable hyperlink. Just make sure it starts with http:// and it will be clickable. This is only if you want people to go to another page after watching your video, so if you don't have a website of your own, you don't need to worry about this. 3. Add keywords in your tags. Again, on the topic of keywords, you'll see when you go to upload your video, a field where you can add tags or keywords. These are also used to find and list your video in the search results when a user goes to search. So again, you'll want to add as many relevant keywords in here that you want. You don't need to go overboard here. A good number is about 5 to 10 keywords. Anything more than that and you'll look spammy. YouTube tells you that you can separate your tags with spaces. For example, if you type in the tags field like this, play soccer Garden Square Stadium, you will get 5 different keywords. 1. Play 2. Soccer 3. Garden 4. Square 5. Stadium. But what if your keyword is more than one word, or a string of words? E.g., Garden Square Stadium. Here's a trick to get a multi-word keyword show up as a single keyword. If you type your keywords between quote marks, like this, Twitter marketing, make money, MLM lead system, then you'll get groups of words that will end up as single multi-word tags. This whole thing about keywords and tags and getting your video to show up in the top of the search engines, YouTube and Google, is related to the big picture of internet marketing and SEO, search engine optimization. Internet marketers are making a killing with their videos, so if you want to learn how to get a piece of that action with #1 rankings for your videos, check out this nifty piece of software called Video Shadow. This software lets you find the exact keywords you can use to get your videos ranking in the #1 position, and also uncovers the tactics used by competitors so you can beat them at their own game. If you've got a business or just want a way to make some money on the side, video marketing is the way to get people's attention, and it's only going to get bigger.